This is Carolina. She's a 2015 Dodge Charger SE, the lowest trim possible, and we are rebuilding her confidence. When I first got her, she was actually a boy named Mozzie. Yeah, I know it doesn't really make any sense, but let me explain. I wanted a Maserati, but this was my in between dream car, my realistic dream car. But then I started thinking about the direction I wanted for it, especially the color, and I wanted that Carolina blue look. So that's when Mozzie shifted gears, skirt skirt, and became Carolina. She was in an accident causing her to overheat, but due to miscommunication between the repair shop and the insurance company, her engine never got replaced until last year. So for 3 years, she was just sitting in the Florida sun, just burning up. We already handled her heart, so now it's just time for her to get her body done. In the next episode, I'll be going over the visions I have for Carolina and unboxing everything I've already ordered for her in order to keep rebuilding her confidence. So if you're rocking with this build, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Be breezy.